Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suman. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful combination in digital marketing world, Adobe Experience Platform AEP and Adobe Commerce. If you are looking to supercharge your customer experience and drive more personalized shopping journey, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, Adobe Experience Platform or AEP is a real-time customer data platform that helps businesses deliver personalized experience at scale. It's like the brain of your digital marketing stack, combining data from multiple sources to create unified real-time view of each customer. Using AEP, we can integrate multiple apps or solutions of Adobe and integrate with the website. That includes Adobe Analytics, Adobe Campaign, Adobe Journey Optimizer, Adobe Target, and many more. So now let's understand the bigger picture. In the diagram, in the left hand side, we have Adobe Commerce and the right hand side, Adobe Experience Platform. So to publish the data from Adobe Commerce to Adobe Experience Platform, we need the extension called Data Connection. So Data Connection is a free extension which is developed by Adobe and which comes with your enterprise license. So if you have an enterprise license of Adobe Commerce or Adobe Commerce Cloud, then you can install this extension, and it's a free extension for enterprise customer, and you can install this. And there is a second extension which is called Audience Activation, which is basically pull the personalized experience or personalized content from Adobe Experience Platform to back to the Adobe Commerce. So both extension is free for enterprise customer, and this standard extension can be installed through the Composer. So in the Adobe Commerce Marketplace, we are talking about these two extensions. One is Data Connection and another is Audience Activation. So if I go one by one and revisit these two extensions, so first thing is the Data Connection. So this extension is available for cloud and on-prem, and if we see the installation instruction, so what is written here is that first we have to go to Adobe Experience Platform and get the necessary details like organization ID, data stream ID, dataset ID, and then those configuration I have to configure in the Adobe Commerce store configuration inside the services and data connection. For the other extension, the process is same. So this is also supported for cloud and on-prem, and it is a free extension for the enterprise customer. And if you go in the details guideline how this installation process work, you will get the information. So this extension supports Luma based frontend, the headless front end. So using GraphQL also we can get the personalized content. And if you are running having a mobile app, or if you have something you want to pull in the mobile app, the dynamic blocks or dynamic data, that also it is supported. If you specifically talk about Audience Activation extension, which lets you the real-time CDP audience in the Adobe Commerce, which creates a personalized experience in the Adobe Commerce environment, which provides offers, discounts which is specifically designed for the customer, such as buy two get one offer or a hero banner or some other promotional content. The audience build the real-time CDP data based on the various sources. From ERP, the data is coming from ERP, CRM, or some point of sale, or from an e-commerce store. And based on this data, the CDP basically put the intelligence and find out what is the unique sales opportunity for that customer, and find out and generates the personalized content or promotional offer which will be applicable for that customer. So this tool is extremely useful if you really want to improve your sales and want to have a better user experience for the customer. This extension support both Luma based frontend and headless frontend, and also if you have mobile app want to develop using iOS, using that also you can get this real-time customer experience or CDP data and pull it and use it in your mobile apps. In this video, you have learned how to publish the data to the Adobe Experience Platform from Adobe Commerce and use the personalized content and use it in the Adobe Commerce for better customer experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content for Adobe Commerce, App Builder, and many more technology related topics. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have specific topic you want to discuss or anything related to this video. Your feedback helps to shape this channel. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, keep innovating and keep optimizing. Stay tuned, stay connected.